Dust devils dance on the two-lane blacktop. Sun bleeds amber, promises to drop. Soft flicker in the heat haze, a ghostly crown. Vacancy sign losing letters, fading down. Each one a color painting different skies. Behind me in the glass, a slow goodbye. This ain't no mountain, no peak to find, just a stucco wall, a slow climb in the west, left behind. It's the slowest climb in the west, putting hope to the test. A neon ache, a broken quest, just the slowest climb in the west. Pulled the car over engine side and died, parked in the shadows, nowhere left to hide. Stared at the sign, a skeletal design, just a lone moth tracing every dying line. This ain't no mountain, no peak to find, just a stucco wall, a slow climb in the west, left behind. It's the slowest climb in the west, putting hope to the test. A neon ache, a broken quest, just the slowest climb in the west. Humming fades in, wordless. Humming continues, a single note sustained. Humming fades